Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Instant Pot accessories is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets, and to truly unlock its potential, you need the right tools. From silicone steamers to springform pans, the market is flooded with accessories designed to enhance your Instant Pot experience. But with so many options, how do you choose the best ones? In this video, we'll dive into the must-have accessories that will take your Instant Pot cooking to the next level. Number 5. Instant Pot 6QT Stainless Steel Inner Cooking Pot. This is a genuine Instant Pot accessory, designed specifically for your 6QT Instant Pot models. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Made from durable, premium quality stainless steel, this pot is built to last. The grade 304 stainless steel with rolled edges ensures both longevity and safety during use. Safety is a priority, and this pot features maximum fill line markings. These markings help you avoid overfilling, ensuring safe pressure cooking every time. The tri-ply bottom design ensures even heat distribution. This feature helps prevent scorching and promotes consistent cooking results, making it ideal for various recipes. With a capacity to hold up to 6 portions, it's perfect for growing families or meal prepping. It allows you to cook large quantities of food, saving you time and effort. The mirror-polished cooking surface makes cooking and cleaning easier than ever. It resists stains and doesn't absorb food odors or flavors, maintaining its pristine condition. What we like? This stainless steel inner pot is a workhorse, built to last and designed for even cooking. Its polished surface makes cleaning a breeze, saving you precious time in the kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean pot for everyday use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The egg steamer works great. The silicone egg molds are perfect for making egg bites. The accessories are well made and fit perfectly in my Instant Pot. Number 4. AOZITA Steamer Basket for Instant Pot. Maximize your Instant Pot's potential with this 2-tier stainless steel steamer basket. It allows you to cook multiple foods at once, keeping them separate and saving you valuable time. This is perfect for quick and easy weeknight meals. Go beyond basic recipes and explore the versatility of your electric pressure cooker. This steamer insert is great for steaming vegetables and meats, as well as preparing broths. The mesh design makes straining solids simple. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this basket is built to last and is dishwasher safe. The stable trivet design prevents spills, and the silicone handles protect your fingers from burns when removing it from the cooker. While designed for 6 and 8-quart Instant Pot models, this steamer basket works with various other pressure cookers. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen, compatible with many popular brands. We are confident you'll love this well-crafted and practical steamer basket. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll find a solution. It's the best steamer basket for your Instant Pot. What we like? This steamer basket lets you cook multiple foods at once, maximizing your Instant Pot's potential. The stackable design and mesh construction are perfect for steaming vegetables, eggs, and even straining broths. If you're looking to streamline your meal prep and cook a variety of dishes simultaneously, then this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The steamer basket is really good quality and works perfectly. This basket seems to work fine with the air fryer, or as a steamer basket or inside the pressure cooker. Everything fits. It opens up the capabilities of the Instant Pot. Number 3. Stainless steel insert pans for Instant Pot. These stainless steel insert pans are designed specifically for your Instant Pot. It fits 6QT models and above, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The stackable design allows you to cook multiple dishes at once. This feature helps you save time and energy while preparing a complete meal. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this pan is durable and easy to clean. It's built to withstand the pressure and heat of your Instant Pot. Use it for steaming vegetables, cooking grains, or even baking. It expands the functionality of your Instant Pot, offering endless culinary possibilities. Simply place the pan inside your Instant Pot and start cooking. After use, it's easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher, making your cooking experience hassle-free. What we like? These stackable pans are perfect for cooking multiple dishes at once. They fit perfectly in your Instant Pot, allowing you to create complete meals with ease. If you're looking to cook a whole meal in your Instant Pot, this is a great choice. What people say. The egg steamer works great. The silicone egg molds are easy to clean. The springform pan is perfect for making cheesecakes. Number 2. Instant Pot 6QT Tempered Glass Lid. This lid is designed for your 6-quart Instant Pot multi-cookers. It's made of tempered glass, allowing you to easily monitor your food while it cooks. The stainless steel rim and handle add durability and style. The tempered glass provides a clear view of your food. It also features a steam release vent, ensuring safe and efficient cooking. You can check on your food without lifting the lid. The rim and handle are made of sturdy stainless steel. This lid can withstand oven temperatures up to 220 C 428 F. It's a reliable and long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Use this lid for slow cooking, sautéing, or browning. It's a great alternative to the pressure lid for various cooking methods. It expands the functionality of your Instant Pot. This is a genuine Instant Pot accessory, designed specifically for 6-quart models. It's an Instant Pot verified accessory, ensuring compatibility and quality. It is easy to clean. This lid is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The high-quality materials ensure it will last for years. It's an essential accessory for any Instant Pot owner. What we like. This tempered glass lid provides clear visibility and features a steam vent for safe cooking. It's perfect for slow cooking, sautéing, or simply keeping an eye on your food. If you like to monitor your food without lifting the lid, this is a great addition to your Instant Pot setup. What people say. The accessories are well made and fit perfectly in my 6-quart Instant Pot. The egg steamer works great, and the silicone mitts are heat resistant. The springform pan is perfect for cheesecakes. Number 1. Instant Pot Magnetic Cheat Sheet. This magnetic guide is a must-have accessory for your Instant Pot. It features over 100 food entries and is compatible with all models. It provides accurate cooking times and pressure levels, helping you achieve delicious results every time. The large font chart includes liquid ratios, pressure times, and steam release modes. It also provides special information for high-altitude, vegan, and gluten-free cooking. This guide enhances cooking efficiency, whether you have a 6QT or 8QT Instant Pot. This waterproof magnetic chart is made from durable, tear-resistant plastic. It's perfect for both beginners and pros, offering a clean, screen-free cooking experience. Stick it on your fridge or cooker for consistent meals and time-saving efficiency. This accessory can hang or mount for fast access during meal prep. It fits easily in any kitchen, from 6QT to 8QT models. It boosts the convenience of your Instant Pot recipes while minimizing cleanup. This Instapot cooker tool comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal gift. It boosts cooking confidence for all experience levels and streamlines your kitchen workflow. Get yours now and level up your kitchen game. What we like. This magnetic cheat sheet is your go-to guide for perfect Instant Pot results every time. It's packed with cooking times, pressure levels, and helpful tips, all in a clear, easy-to-read format. If you're a beginner or simply want to cook with confidence, this is the perfect tool to have on hand. What people say. The accessories are well made and fit perfectly in my 6-quart Instant Pot. The egg steamer works great, and the silicone mitts are heat resistant. The springform pan is perfect for cheesecakes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.